Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of SpyFu, one of the most talked about SEO and PPC tools out there. Whether you're a digital marketer, an SEO enthusiast, or a business owner, understanding your competitors is crucial, and SpyFu promises to give you that edge. Let's explore what this platform offers and see if it lives up to the hype. SpyFu is an all-in-one competitive intelligence tool designed specifically for search marketing. At its core, it helps you reverse engineer your competitors' SEO and Google Ads strategies, and not just in a superficial way. We're talking about deep historical data that lets you see every keyword a competitor has ever bought on Google Ads, every organic ranking they've held for the past 15 years, and how their performance has changed over time. The name SpyFu cleverly plays on the idea of spying on your foes, but don't worry, it's all public data gathered through crawling and analytics, just compiled in a way that makes it easy to act on. So whether you're running an in-house SEO strategy, you're managing client campaigns at an agency, or you're trying to outmaneuver the big players in your niche, SpyFu gives you the strategic intelligence to level the playing field. But here's the real kicker. SpyFu is not just a tool for analyzing others. You can use it to audit and improve your own performance. By seeing how your rankings and ad strategies stack up against the competition, you know where you're winning, where you're falling behind, and where the opportunities are hiding. In short, SpyFu is like the X-ray vision of digital marketing. It peels back the curtain on what your competitors are doing in search, both paid and organic, so you can make smarter, more informed decisions. Now let us talk about the main features of SpyFu. SEO research. You can gain insight into a domain's organic search performance, including top ranking keywords, estimated monthly clicks, and SEO competitors. PPC research. You can discover the keywords your competitors are bidding on, their ad copy, and estimated monthly ad spend. Keyword research. You can analyze keyword difficulty, search volume, and cost per click to identify high-value keywords for your campaigns. Backlink analysis. You can examine the backlink profiles of competitors to identify potential link building opportunities. Domain comparison. You can compare multiple domains to see overlapping keywords and unique opportunities. And custom reporting. You can generate white label reports for clients showcasing SEO and PPC performance metrics. There's also a new feature that identifies content gaps in your SEO strategy and suggests high-ranking content to fill in them. Let's talk about the pricing of SpyFu. They offer 3 basic tiered plans. There's a basic plan at $39 per month. A limited time offer currently on the basic plan goes for $9 per month. That's a whopping huge discount. And the Pro plan also has a discount at the moment for $49 per month as opposed to $79 per month that it was before. And lastly, there's the Professional plan at $79 per month. Each of the plans has limitations, and of course the Professional plan is the biggest plan of all. When you visit the website, you see details of what you can get with each of the subscription plans. Let us talk about the pros and cons of using SpyFu. First, the pros. Comprehensive data. You have access to extensive historical data for both SEO and PPC. User-friendly interface. Intuitive design makes navigation and data interpretation straightforward. Unlimited access. All plans offer unlimited searches and data exports. Competitive pricing. It offers robust features at a more affordable price point compared to some competitors. And there's a huge discount going on the plans at the moment, the subscription plans. How about the cons? Limited backlink and site audit capabilities. It's not as in-depth as some other SEO tools. Data accuracy concerns. And there is no free trial for this one. While there may be a money-back guarantee, there's no free trial to test the platform. In conclusion, SpyFu is a powerful tool for those looking to gain a competitive edge in SEO and PPC. Its comprehensive data, User-friendly interface and affordable pricing make it a valuable asset for marketers and businesses alike. However, if backlink analysis and site audits are a significant part of your strategy, you might find SpyFu's capabilities in these areas somewhat limited. But overall, SpyFu is well suited for competitor analysis, keyword research, and PPC insights. And that's it on the review of SpyFu. If what is considered in this video aligns with your needs, then SpyFu is certainly worth considering. Well, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.